Hey guys, thanks for joining me once again. If you guys have been following my videos, you guys know that I've been investing into the stock market. I've been trying to show you guys in real time how I do my deals and letting you guys see over my shoulder and showing you guys the results. So why don't we dive into it? Last week I talked about investing into a company called Nikola, which they're coming out with electric vehicles, mainly semi-trucks and other vehicles that are going to be all electric, that I feel they could be giving Tesla some competition amongst other companies. Like Ford is coming out with their all-electric Mustang Mach-1 SUV pretty soon. They're going to be releasing that. Anyways, I want to talk about two different ways that I've been able to make money in the stock market. So one way is kind of like the basic kind of caveman strategy, which still works, which is fine. But since I'm still new to it, I haven't been investing in it for too long. It's only been about a year. But anyways, from my experience, there's two ways that I've been able to make money. So one way is kind of like the buy and hold strategy, where you want to buy some stocks at a certain price, which is going to be like a low price, hopefully, and that in the hopes that it goes up and that all of your shares also go up in value and you're able to sell them at a profit. So to dissect that type of a trade, I'll go ahead and use my most recent example, which, like I said in my previous videos about a week ago, I was trying to share with you guys how you guys can make $300 by downloading an app. Send that to 5 people, boom, you get $300. Put that into your account, start up Robinhood, and invest into Nikola. So I pretty much, practice what I preach, put my money where my mouth is. So I went ahead and bought Nikola. I was able to buy 5 shares for $297, and within like the end of the week or within a few days, the stock price went up. I was able to make money. So I spent $297, and within a couple of days, the stock price, or that a couple of 5 shares that I owned, were valued at $347. So that pretty much is a profit of $50. So that's what I was trying to tell you guys, to make your money work for you guys, instead of just having it in your bank account. Those same $297, a week later is still going to be $297. Whereas I put it into the stock market, my $297 worked for me and went up to $347 for a profit of $50. So that's just one simple way to understand. One simple way to understand the stock market. The other way I've been discovering recently is called options, and this is really super awesome. I'm excited about it. You can see options is a way to leverage the market and to control hundreds of shares, as opposed to buying 5 shares. You can buy like 500 shares and limit the risk. And you can set your own dollar amount. So if you want to invest $500, you can do exactly that. And the maximum you're going to lose is $500. The most you can make is unlimited. If you look on the app, it'll actually say unlimited profit potential. So pretty much the sky's the limit on that. But anyways, the most you can lose is $500, or however much you want to put. So I'm going to break down a couple of trades that I had that went down last week, where I was experimenting with options, and I was able to make $240 in about 2 days. So why don't we dive into it? There's 2 companies that I invested in. I bought 2 options contracts with Ovid, O-V-I-D, Ovid. So I went ahead and bought this company. I think they're in like therapeutics or some type of pharmaceutical company. Anyways, I was able to buy 2 options contracts. I paid $70 for them, and within like a day or two, I was able to sell both option contracts for $180. So I paid $70. I was able to sell it for $180. Another company is Inseego. They develop 5G technology and microprocessors, microchips, stuff like that. And so I was able to, once again, buy 2 option contracts. I paid $85 for both of them, and I was able to sell them for $215, which I believe is like the very next day or the 2 days after that. So total, I paid $150. And the profits that I made from selling the 2 or the 4, I guess combined 4 options contracts, I was able to make $395. So if you take that $390 and then you subtract 155, which was my initial investment, then I'm left with $240. So I bought those 4 options contracts, flipped them, and then 2 days later I was able to bring in and pocket $240. So if you look at the old caveman style of buying the stocks at one price in the hopes that it goes up and then sell it at that price, which brought me $50 on Nikola, and these 4 options contracts brought me $240. So last week I was actually able to make $290. So again, guys, this is what I'm talking about, is having your money work for you guys. And this is something that I'm able to do, from my bed. You could do it from your phone. Sometimes I'm here working when I'm doing it, and it's super easy to do. And like for me, I've watched videos, I've read, and sometimes it just doesn't register until you actually do it. Like for me, I'm more of a hands-on learner. I got to be right there with a person, going through the steps, with them. So I don't really have a mentor like that. I don't have anybody teaching me, but I get into it, I learn on my own. I don't know, if these videos are helpful. Hopefully they are, and hopefully you start thinking about trading and getting into the stock market and making your money work for you. But in these times of uncertainty and the economy, especially being impacted by the coronavirus, it's a really good opportunity to invest now, because the stock market is actually going down, but it's already making a huge increase. I'm seeing a lot of rebound in various markets, like retail and real estate are going up, just to name a few. But there's a lot of companies on the rebound, and it's a really good opportunity to get into the investment scene, because you can get stocks at a bargain and you can make your money work for you. So get in right now while prices are still at a bargain. You can still make a lot of money. And this has been my experience investing into options, which I'm going to be getting into more. And my video from earlier this morning, I told you guys I was going to use $400 and flip that into $7,000, which is the goal. But right now I'm actually working on a couple of deals. I have 8 options contracts, so that's double of what I had before. So 4 contracts were able to bring me in $240. Now I have 8 options contracts, so I spend a little bit more. If you're thinking back on my video before this, where I said I was going to turn $400 into $7,000, so the new numbers that I've revised I've actually spent $900, and I'm looking to get a return of anywhere between like $8,000 and $9,000. So as always, I'm going to keep you guys in the loop. I'll keep you guys updated. It's already the end of the day. Stock market is closed. There's no trading going on. So of course, I'm going to be waiting for tomorrow and the rest of the week to come to give you guys updates and hopefully make some serious cash. So I'll definitely be bringing that info to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.